You guys want to go on a hayride?
Yeah. Scared. We're going on a hayride. Hayride.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's gonna be a quick video. This morning we went to a local farmer and got some hay for our goats since we're not really cutting our own hay yet. And Allison had this idea of this basket from Walmart. I'll let her tell you about that.
Yeah, so all it is a laundry basket. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna put it in the goat shed and put the hay in, and then they'll be able to eat out of the wired holes. And if it doesn't work, I have another laundry hamper.
So we're gonna take this hay and use the horse barn to keep it dry, and then we're gonna give the goats some hay. So stay tuned and come along with us. So find the bands, pick them up. Good thing.
Got it. Good job, Val.
Well, we were able to get 10 hay bales this morning, so we got them on these tables to keep them off the ground from raccoons and animals. So Allison and Ella, they're gonna cut some hay out now and fill up this basket for the goats.
All right. Take it on down.
All right, I'm in the goat house, and all I did was just put in some of these cheap hooks that I think came from Harbor Freight. So we hung the basket on here, and we've got some of the hay to where they can eat out of here and hopefully not waste a lot of it and get it on the ground.
Dodger, come in.
Look. Welcome to McDonald's. Would you like some hay?
You ready? Come in.
Look, Dodger. Look. Oh, good Molly. Good baby.
Yeah. Get down, you goofball. Come on. Hey, get down.
He's a good boy.
Come on. Hi. You hungry?
Apparently.
All right, so yesterday we came out here and we put up the new goat feeders to put the hay in. So let's take a look at it and see. Nice. It's still up there. It looks like they've eaten quite a bit too. You like that, Molly? Think they're ready to eat. Go ahead and give them that too, Belle. All right. He's hungry.
Dodger baby.
Silly boy.
Come on.
All right. Well, thanks for watching, guys. Until next time. See ya.